Hello friends, it's Ransil's Kitchen. Today we will teach you Goan Portuguese dessert pastel de nata. Enjoy! To make pastel de nata, 250 gram of white flour, salt, water. To make pastel de nata, you need 250 gram of butter, 250 gram of white flour, add salt, add water, mix it, add little more water. The dough must stick to your hand. This dessert very old traditional of Goa and Portuguese. It must be so soft. It must stick to your hand. Spread lot of flour on the board. Put the sticky dough on the flour. Knead it. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. The dough must stick to the board. This is a perfect dough for pastel de nata. This dough must stick to the board dough to rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead the dough again. Spread flour. Knead the dough. Roll the dough to a rectangle shape. Spread it. Now spread butter on top. Spread butter. The butter must be very soft, not melt, but soft butter. Spread it on the dough nicely all over. To make pastel de nata. Hold the dough like this. Spread the flour. Spread lot of flour. Add 50 gram more butter. Spread it. Spread the butter. Hold the dough like this. Nicely. Put the flour, the dough in the tray. After 20 minutes, remove it from the fridge, place it on the board and roll it in a rectangular shape. Brush the remaining flour. Spread more butter. Spread the rest of the butter. We have spread all the butter on the dough. Now you must roll the dough like this. Roll the dough. Place the dough on the click film and roll it. Roll the click film nicely rolled. I will refrigerate it for 2 hours. To make pastry de nata, you need to make custard. To make custard, 100 gram of sugar, 4 eggs. You need 4 egg yolks, 1 cinnamon stick, vanilla essence, corn flour, milk. Add half liter of milk. Bring the milk to a boiling point. Break egg. Separate the egg yolk from egg white. That's it. In a pan. Four egg yolks. Add 100 gram of sugar. Mix the sugar with egg yolk. Mix it nicely. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix corn flour with egg yolk and sugar. Mix it nicely so that the sugar dissolves. When the milk is warm, add it in the egg yolk, little by little. Nice. Mix the milk with egg yolk on a low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Let the custard boil till it becomes thick. It is getting thick. Add cinnamon. This cinnamon is for flavor. Custard is almost done. Nice thick. This is the perfect custard to put in pastry de nata. After 2 hours of refrigeration, pastry de nata is almost ready. In small pieces. Spread flour on the board. Put the pastry on the board with the flour. First cut the edges. Cut it. Pastry de nata. You can see the butter and the layers, round shape. I have 10 molds here. Place the dough in the mold. Put your finger in water. Press it nicely on the mold. Make the mold shape. Nicely made the mold for pastry de nata. Press it. Nicely. I have made 12 pastry de nata molds. Add custard in it. Add custard. very old Portuguese Goan traditional sweet, pastry de nata, are ready to bake. Keep the oven on 200 degree. Put in the oven and let it bake for 25 minutes on 200 degree. Nicely baked the dessert pastry de nata. Very nice, delicious dessert nata. Cool down for 20 minutes. Pastry de nata is nicely baked, nice crispy. Try it at home, very easy to make. This sweet is Goan old traditional sweet, pastry de nata. Sprinkle icing sugar on top.